There's a certain pride that comes with owning a car that just keeps going. While most people start worrying when their odometer creeps past 100,000 miles, some cars are built to double that number and keep on rolling strong. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the legends of reliability. Those models that routinely hit 200,000 miles and beyond without breaking a sweat. These aren't just machines. They're long-haul partners, road warriors, and everyday heroes of the automotive world. Now here's the kicker. Cars that last this long aren't just lucky survivors. They're the result of smart engineering, solid build quality, and often a cult following of owners who swear by their durability. Whether you're shopping for your next dependable ride, holding on to a car you already love, or just curious about which models have earned their stripes in the High Mileage Hall of Fame, this guide is for you. The Toyota Camry has earned its crown as one of the most reliable cars in America, and it's not hard to see why. For decades, this mid-size sedan has built a reputation for outlasting its competition by a wide margin, with many examples easily pushing past 200,000 miles and still running smoothly. Owners often share stories of their Camrys breezing through cross-country road trips with minimal maintenance, proving this isn't just marketing hype, it's lived reality. With a blend of comfort, fuel efficiency, and durability, the Camry shows that practicality doesn't have to be boring. What makes the Camry so bulletproof is its simple but solid engineering. Toyota kept the design straightforward, especially with its four-cylinder engines. Unnecessary complexity that could lead to costly repairs. The transmissions are equally robust, designed to handle hundreds of thousands of gear shifts without giving up. This no-nonsense formula has made the Camry a favorite of taxi drivers, rideshare operators, and anyone who needs a car that works as hard as they do. It's a model built for the long game, not just the first few years of ownership. When it comes to modern electric startups, Lucid Motors is one of the most intriguing names on the road today. Founded in California, Lucid built its reputation on pushing the limits of EV technology, especially with the Lucid Air sedan. While the brand is still young, early data and engineering promises suggest that these vehicles are designed for the long haul. Lucid isn't just competing on speed or style, it's targeting battery longevity, efficiency, and durability that could make it a serious 200,000-mile contender in the years ahead. At the heart of Lucid's promise is its advanced battery technology. The Lucid Air currently offers some of the longest driving ranges of any EV in the world, with some versions exceeding 500 miles per charge. This isn't just about convenience, it's about reduced stress on the battery cells over time. By engineering batteries that operate efficiently and don't degrade quickly, Lucid is laying the groundwork for cars that could stay on the road for decades. In fact, analysts believe Lucid's packs may remain strong well past 200,000 miles with proper care. If the Toyota Camry is the king of durability, the Honda Accord is the smooth-talking rival that wins hearts with equal longevity, but a touch more personality. It's known as the Camry's main competitor for decades. The Accord has proven it can go toe-to-toe in reliability, while offering a slightly sportier driving feel. Many owners proudly share stories of their Accords crossing 200,000 miles with ease. Some examples push well beyond 300,000 miles when maintained properly. This sedan strikes the perfect balance between fun, practicality, and bulletproof engineering, making it a top choice for anyone who values a reliable daily driver with character. One of the Accord's biggest strengths is its lineup of engines, especially Honda's legendary four-cylinders. Simple, efficient, and virtually unkillable, these engines thrive under regular maintenance. Honda has always emphasized precision engineering, and it shows in the way their transmissions and drivetrains hold up after years of service. Whether it's the classic manual transmissions that enthusiasts adore, or the refined automatics, the Accord has a well-earned reputation for dependability that extends across generations. This is why so many families trust Accords to pass down from one driver to the next. Another major factor in the Accord's long life is its versatility. It's not just a commuter car. It's been a family hauler, a college kid's first car, and even a tuner's playground. That flexibility means Accords are engineered to handle a variety of driving conditions and driver habits, yet still hold up over time. Owners often remark that even after 200,000 miles, the suspension still feels tight and the car drives with confidence. The Toyota Corolla is the definition of dependable. A compact sedan that has been on the road for over 50 years and sold in record-breaking numbers worldwide. Millions of drivers trust the Corolla to get them from point A to point B without drama. And it's not unusual to see these cars rack up 200,000 miles with ease. In fact, for many owners, hitting that milestone feels like just the halfway point. Its combination of affordability, low operating costs, and long-lasting build quality makes it one of the most practical cars ever made. What sets the Corolla apart is its simplicity. Toyota didn't over-engineer this car. Instead, they perfected the basics. The four-cylinder engines are reliable workhorses designed for efficiency and longevity rather than flash. The transmissions are equally sturdy, with smooth shifting automatics that can handle years of daily driving. That straightforward engineering makes the Corolla easy to maintain and cheap to repair, which is a big reason why so many owners hold on to them for decades. Another reason the Corolla lasts so long is that it's forgiving to its owners. Even if you're not the most consistent about maintenance, the Corolla often keeps going. It's a forgiving teacher for new drivers, a dependable commuter for busy professionals, and a trustworthy ride for families who just need a car that works. Fisker is another exciting name in the new wave of American automakers. And while it's still early days, the company is already showing signs that it wants to compete in the longevity game. The Fisker Ocean, its first widely available model, is a sleek, electric SUV that focuses on sustainability and affordability. Built with recycled materials and designed for everyday drivers, the Ocean is Fisker's attempt to prove that going green doesn't have to mean sacrificing durability. And while it's still new, Fisker has set its sights on building EVs that last. One of Fisker's standout features is its unique approach to battery technology. The company has been exploring solid-state battery development, which, if successful, could revolutionize EV lifespan. For now, the Ocean uses lithium-ion packs with ranges competitive to Tesla and Rivian. But the promise of longer-lasting, safer batteries is a key part of Fisker's future. Owners who rack up serious mileage want assurance that their EV won't fade after 100K. And Fisker is betting big on tech that will push those limits. The Honda Civic is more than just a car. It's an institution. Beloved by commuters, tuners, and families alike, the Civic has proven itself as one of the most reliable, compact cars in history. Many Civics routinely cross the 200,000-mile mark. It's not unusual to see them go even further with proper care. The Civic's reputation for being both fun and durable has made it a standout choice in a crowded market, balancing reliability with personality better than almost any other compact. The Civic's longevity starts with its engines. Honda's four-cylinder designs are well known for their durability and efficiency. With some of the older naturally aspirated models practically bulletproof, even the newer turbocharged variants are built with Honda's trademark precision engineering. Designed to handle years of daily driving, paired with transmissions that are both robust and smooth, the Civic delivers a driving experience that stays enjoyable well into high-mileage territory. Another major reason the Civic lasts so long is its versatility. It's available in multiple body styles and trims, from the simple sedan to the sporty C and high-performance Type R. That flexibility has given it a broad audience. But at its core, every Civic shares the same foundation of reliability. When the Toyota Prius first arrived, many doubted whether hybrids could really stand the test of time. But 2 decades later, the Prius has proven its critics wrong by becoming one of the most reliable cars on the road, with countless examples easily surpassing 200,000 miles. This hybrid pioneer not only saves drivers money at the pump, but also shows that eco-friendly technology can go the distance. For anyone skeptical about hybrids, the Prius is proof that green can also mean reliable. The key to the Prius's success is its hybrid powertrain. Toyota engineered the gas engine and electric motor to work in harmony, reducing wear and tear on both. That means the engine isn't running at full load all the time, which helps extend its lifespan. The battery packs, once feared to be a weak point, have proven remarkably durable, with many lasting well past 200,000 miles before needing replacement. This balance of durability and efficiency is what makes the Prius unique among long-lasting cars. Another factor in the Prius's longevity is how it encourages smoother driving habits. Because the hybrid system is optimized for efficiency, owners tend to drive more gently, which reduces stress on the drivetrain, brakes, and suspension. Some cars are built for comfort, others for speed, but the Toyota 4Runner is built for endurance. This rugged SUV has earned a legendary reputation for reliability both on and off the road, with many examples easily surpassing 200,000 miles. It's known for its body-on-frame construction and bulletproof V6 engines. The 4Runner is a favorite among adventurers, families, and anyone who needs an SUV that just won't quit. The 4Runner's secret lies in its old-school engineering. It's unlike many modern crossovers. The 4Runner sticks to a traditional truck-based platform, which makes it more durable in the long run. Its engines are simple, reliable, and capable of handling extreme conditions without breaking down, whether it's towing, off-roading, or just handling daily commutes. The 4Runner thrives under pressure. That toughness has made it one of the most respected SUVs in its class. Another reason the 4Runner lasts so long is how well it's built for versatility. It's equally at home in city traffic and on mountain trails, making it appealing to a wide range of drivers. When it comes to crossovers that stand the test of time, the Honda CR-V is always near the top of the list. This compact SUV blends practicality with Honda's legendary engineering, making it one of the most trusted family vehicles on American roads. Many CR-Vs cross 200,000 miles without breaking a sweat, and owners routinely report decade-long ownership experiences with minimal issues. It's the kind of vehicle people buy once and keep until their kids are grown, and even then, it often has plenty of life left. The CR-V's longevity is anchored by Honda's bulletproof 4-cylinder engines. Known for efficiency and smooth performance, these power plants can run reliably for hundreds of thousands of miles if you keep up with basic maintenance. The transmissions, while not flashy, are designed for long-term durability, delivering seamless shifts year after year. This mechanical consistency is why the CR-V is often called one of the most dependable crossovers in its class. Another factor that keeps the CR-V relevant over time is its balance between size and versatility. It's roomy enough for families, yet compact enough to navigate city streets with ease. Owners rely on it for daily commuting, school runs, and weekend adventures. If there's one vehicle that truly embodies durability in the United States, it's the Ford F-150, as America's best-selling truck for decades. The F-150 has built a reputation for strength, capability, and sheer staying power. These trucks are designed to work hard, towing, hauling, and driving through tough conditions day after day. And because of that rugged engineering, it's not unusual to see F-150s surpass 200,000 miles and still keep going strong. The heart of the F-150's longevity lies in its wide range of powerful and reliable engines. From the naturally aspirated V6 South to the EcoBoost turbocharged options, and even the legendary V8 South, Ford has engineered these motors to handle serious workloads. When paired with tough transmissions and a strong chassis, the F-150 can withstand years of heavy use. Fleet owners and tradespeople swear by them because they know the truck won't let them down, even after years of punishment. Another reason the F-150 lasts so long is that it's endlessly adaptable. Available in multiple trims, bed lengths, and cab sizes, it serves everyone from construction workers to suburban families. So there you have it, the cars that Dan T just survived but thrive well beyond 200,000 miles. From compact sedans like the Toyota Corolla and Honda Civic, to rugged SUVs like the Toyota 4Runner, and dependable trucks like the Ford F-150. These vehicles prove that smart engineering and proper care can deliver a driving experience that lasts for decades. They aren't just machines, they become companions through countless commutes, road trips, and milestones in life. If you're shopping for a car and longevity is at the top of your list, these models are some of the safest bets you can make. They may cost a little more upfront, but the return comes in peace of mind, reduced maintenance costs, and the satisfaction of knowing your car won't quit before you do. So whether you're chasing 200,000 miles, 300,000, or more, these vehicles are built to take you there and beyond.